Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with Maggi Masala Easy Guide. Start by heating 1 tablespoon oil in a saucepan. Sauté finely chopped onion and garlic until soft. Then add diced vegetables like carrots, peas, and potatoes for texture. Pour 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, bring to a simmer, and stir in 1 Maggi Masala cube crushed and salt to taste for serving. Once simmering, lower heat and cook vegetables until tender, about 10 to 12 minutes, while tasting occasionally for seasoning. If you prefer a silky texture, blend half the soup with an immersion blender and return it, or transfer to a blender in batches and pulse. Adjust seasoning with black pepper, lemon juice, or a pinch of sugar, and add fresh herbs before serving for brightness. Serve hot with crusty bread or crackers for a cozy, satisfying meal. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support future recipes and tips. On another note, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless after cooking, and it navigates tight kitchen corners with ease. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To vary flavor, roast vegetables first or stir in coconut milk for creaminess and a subtle sweetness, keeping the Maggi Masala as the backbone. Add protein like shredded chicken, tofu cubes, or cooked lentils for heartiness, and sprinkle toasted seeds for crunch. For a quick weeknight shortcut, use frozen mixed vegetables and reduce simmer time, then finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon to lift the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.